in this one that are going to make it a little bit more complicated. A couple of things you need to notice are the slurs. If you're first learning this piece, maybe try it without the slurs, but with an accurate rhythm, and then add the slurs in later. They should be very, very smooth. Another thing you should notice is that there's a rit in measure 1, 2, 3, 4 at the end of the first line. So you're going to slow down a little bit and decrescendo before you come back to tempo at 5 and kind of to the original tempo. So what you're going to do then is crescendo at the sort of the end of the second line. Something you'll see, 1, 2, 3, the fourth measure of line 2 is you have a D, B, and then a C sharp, which means you need to right there play a high 3 on your G string. Then 2 measures later, you have a C natural. So it's a regular 3 on your G string. That's the only accidental is that C sharp, and it's going to be kind of a trick that the judges are going to look to make sure that you play that accurately. You can almost guarantee that's going to be on the audition. Another thing is that you count all rhythms correctly, especially the syncopated rhythm in measure 13, 14, 15. Instead of playing on our downbeats like we're used to doing, you're playing on upbeats. It's syncopation. So the pickup to 13, 14, 15 is going to go D, B, D, B. Okay, so you're playing 2 notes on the upbeat rather than on the downbeats like we've been doing for most of this song. Another thing, since we have F sharps, anytime you have a 3 on the C string, it's going to be a high 3. As in measure 1, the last measure of the first line, actually. So we're going to play through this mezzo forte beginning. It's a rather slow, beautiful song. 1, 2, ready, play. So you need to make sure you count. In measure 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba, ba. Okay? And that happens again 2 measures later. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba, ba. And then just counting is going to be a big issue. Let's try from 5 to the end again. 1, 2, ready,